Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If it's your first time on my channel, hello, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how I created this eye look, and I'm actually going to play with some new products today. One of these products is the new palette from Auric Cosmetics, and also a product from Auric Beauty, which is Samantha's new makeup brand. Now, before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'm going to use this eye mask from Masky. I actually want to kind of get into face masks and eye masks more, so from now on I'm gonna try to use an eye mask every time I film my eye look. So this was the first time using their eye mask. I will put the product in the description bar in case you want to check it out. I actually forgot that I applied it when I started with my eyeshadow because it kind of soaked into my skin really nicely. So when I was doing my foundation after creating this eye look, I completely forgot that I applied it. So it's nice that it kind of seamlessly blended into my skin. Now this is the new Auric Cosmetics palette. First you saw me priming the eyelids, and now I'm gonna start using this light color, and I'm gonna use this to kind of like set the whole eyelid, making sure that the eyeshadow primer is locked in place. Also, I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but my voice is kind of acting up. I'm not sure if I'm catching a cold or something. But it's really annoying. I didn't realize until now that I'm doing this voiceover, but yeah, it's really annoying. I have a bottle of water next to me, but it's not really helping, so I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little bit cranky today, but I can't help it, I'm sorry. So now I'm using this transition shade, and I'm gonna blend this all the way in my crease, going back and forth, using a Sigma E40 brush, which is my favorite blending brush. I have a brush kit that I created together with Sigma, which is linked down in the description bar, which includes all my favorite brushes. Now I went in with the Sigma E25, kind of blending around the outer V of my eyelid, kind of making circular motions and creating that round shape at the outer end of the eyelid. I went back in with the E40, blending everything out even more. Now it's time to use the Auric Beauty, I don't know what they're called, but I will make sure to put it in the description bar. It comes in 3 shades. I'm showing you those 2 shades. And then I'm actually going to use this shade, which is the bronze version. The bronze golden version. And it has this cream product, which I'm going to use using a Sigma E25 brush, kind of applying this all over the eyelid. What I really like about this product is that it has a cream product, but also when you open up the lid of the product, it also has a sparkly eyeshadow. So it kind of has 2 products in one, which is really nice. You can either wear it on its own or you can use it together, which I'm gonna do in today's video. So you can, if you recreate this makeup look, you can leave it like it is right now and you will just have kind of like a soft bronzy eyelid. Or you can use the topper, which is this eyeshadow, which is so stunning. And I'm going to use my finger to apply this all over the eyelid. I swatched all the shades before using it today in this video. But I was just kind of surprised at how sparkly it looked on the eyelid. I didn't expect that because I swatched it on the back of my arm and it did not look like this. Or maybe it did, but I just noticed when I applied it on the eyelid that it was so beautiful and sparkly. I really like it. So they came out with 3 shades. This is definitely my favorite one. The other 2 ones, one of them is more like greenish, which I'm not a fan of green eyeshadow. I personally really love green eyeshadow on brown eyes, which I don't have. And the other one is also pretty. It's more kind of like a rose golden shade. Which I think is also pretty. I'm probably gonna try that one as well to see how it looks on my eyes, but the one that I used is kind of like my typical go-to shade that I would normally go for, so it's kind of my favorite. But I'm definitely gonna try out the rose golden. It's not called rose golden, but it looks more rose golden. I'm definitely gonna try out that one as well. So now after applying my eyeliner, I used the Balm Swing liquid liner. I'm sorry I'm talking so much that I'm actually forgetting to tell you guys what I'm doing, but I'm sorry. So now after creating the wing liner, I went in with the Auric Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer, which is my all-time favorite concealer. I actually just repurchased 2 new ones because I just keep running out of them. There's I use them almost every day, so yeah. The product will run out eventually, unfortunately, but yeah, I just repurchased 2 of them, and yeah. I have been using the Tarte Shape Tape for years now, and I just can't seem to find another concealer that I like just as much. But yeah, it's just really good. So now it's time to curl the lashes. I always curl my lashes before I go in with mascara. And then I noticed, wait, I haven't applied anything in my waterline. So I went in with this brown pencil, which is from Colourpop. Such a beautiful, warm brown shade. Absolutely love it. And it will definitely make the eye color stand out more. So now I went back in with the Auric Cosmetics palette. I went in with the shade Hazelnut using a E50 flat definer brush from Sigma, which is also included in the brush kit that I created together with Sigma, which is linked down in the description bar, and using this to apply the eyeshadow all the way underneath the lower lash line. This shade actually looks really similar to the pencil I used in the waterline, so such a beautiful combination. Now I'm using a combination of caramel and toffee, not sure how you pronounce that word in English. I think toffee, not sure. So I'm using a combination and blending everything together underneath the lower lash line, just kind of sweeping my brush back and forth. Not really being precise, just making sure that the product is there and that it's blended out. Now going in with the color Smoky, I'm using a little bit of that in the outer part underneath the lower lash line, trying to kind of like connect the eyeshadow underneath the lower lash line with the wing liner so that there's not really like a gap in between the eyeliner and the lower lash line. Now I decided to go in with a little bit more of that sparkly shade, which I used all over the eyelid and applied a little bit underneath the lower lash line as well. Now I used this Gucci mascara for the first time, and I love this mascara. It made my lower lashes especially so long. When I film a tutorial and I wear fake lashes, I'm never really focused on how my upper lashes look because I'm gonna apply fake lashes anyway. So I always apply a really thin coat. I definitely have to try this off camera when I'm really focused on making my lashes as long as possible. But it made my lower lashes super long. So I'm definitely gonna use this mascara more often because I like the look of it. So now I applied some fake lashes. I used my own Anytude lashes. And I have a special discount code for you guys if you want to try out my lashes. And this is the end result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe, of course. And yeah, I just hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!